What's going on, everyone? It's race day. My buddy Chris has Blueberry Lightning Honda and it's ice cream cruise. So we're headed out there. He's gonna race front wheel drive class. He actually won that last year too. He was an alternate. He wasn't even invited for the first round and he got in because someone couldn't make it and then he won it. So he's the GOAT this year and we're gonna see if he can do a two-peat, win it again. I'll take you guys along for the ride. It's like 101 degrees today, so it's gonna be a burner all day, but I think he has what it takes. Ready, Mr. Olson?
Just nervous.
Nervous?
I always get nervous, man. I don't know.
You're the champion.
Yeah, I gotta defend my title.
Your title? It's only about a gajillion degrees.
Yeah, it's too hot. I don't even know why I like racing sometimes.
Yeah? Well, we'll see you at first round.
Back to the blue up in front of me. I was like, oh fuck.
Mr. Blueberry, first pass, woes, maybe?
Yeah, I'm glad I got that out of the way because now I am fine. Like, I don't feel like I'm gonna throw up anymore. And I got the fastest pass of the day so far, and it bogged, and I almost went to the other lane in third. So.
Sounds all good. Sounds groovy.
Yeah.
You need me to route your wastegate lines for you?
No, I don't think so.
All right. All right. Let's see what you do in second round. Just chilling. There is a break up there.
How do you like chilling in the staging lanes, Chris?
It's hot.
Checking his dick off.
Old ice cream cruise packed in here. Pretty good. Bye, run, Mr. Chris. Looks like you got a little loose up top again.
Yeah. Had to turn it down. Again.
Turn it down, you're supposed to turn it up.
Well, turn it down, it's going faster, so.
Okay. All right, well, third round we go. Fuck yeah!
It's like all over the place. I think I need to pull like a degree at a time.
How was it, man?
Good.
How close is that to a PB?
It was a 6.3, so 2/10 off.
Yeah, pretty good for no prep.
1:14, so still slow. Like I said, I usually run all of it in third, but I can't even know. I mean, 31 was still.
We need to add more fuel.
We probably should, just to be safe.
Yo!
It still got it. Dude, I wasn't gonna pull the chute, but I was like, fuck it. They're like,
Congratulations, man.
thanks.
2 years running. You're the GOAT. You're the GOAT of front wheel drive at I-29.
It wasn't a wasted trip.
Fuck yeah. Fucking repeat.
Yeah, thanks, man.
What was the fucking pass? I didn't even fucking care what it was.
637, but 121. 21 mile an hour.
Yeah.
To see that bad girl. That's a $2,000 slip, man.
Yeah.
Money on that fucking tree.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. What was it? 0.4. Good. I was like, I'm not losing.
Good job!
I said I wasn't going to pull the chute, but I was like,
How's that feel, Chris?
they're like new. Those are crispy.
Yeah, super crispy.
Like they almost feel not real.
You better check the security strip in.
only.
You're used to that old dirty hooker money.
Dude, feel them. Like that
I know what 100s feel like.
Yeah, but those are like.
I've never touched one of those before.
Thanks a lot.
Back home in my garage, obviously had a great day. Had a lot of fun with friends, lots of good racing. So I kind of forgot to tell you the setup on Chris's car. I don't know all of it, but it's a B-Series deal with precision turbo, Honda, and it was built in his garage with the help of some of his friends. Mostly him, though. He got kid smart. He can do a lot of stuff by himself. But we have a Snapchat group called Race Fam. So most of the people that you've seen in the video are all in that group. We talk about racing almost every day. And they all had hands in that car at some point too. But Chris mainly does most of it himself. So it was awesome to see him win. Awesome to see him take home some money. I love hanging out with friends. It was a great day. And thank you guys for all watching.